All right, this is when she lost her first tooth. Can you see the tiny little gap? You can even see the tooth coming up behind it. It was loose for weeks. She cried first, and then she was really excited. What do you guys think? All right, you guys, this is my favorite one. This is of our vow renewal in Hawaii. It was so much fun. You can't smell it because it's a picture, but it smelled amazing there. The flowers were beautiful. The sand was gorgeous. There were whales jumping in the ocean behind us. It was amazing. We invited like 100 people and made them promise all the time. Even though we're opening at 7 a.m. We might do it again at like 11 or something like that. But it was so much fun. He surprised me on the beach. And I spent a lot on the... Do you want to see Mommy and Daddy's wedding pictures? Okay, here it is. We're so in love. Look at all the flowers.
Preserve your legacy. Print your photos.